Hello everyone, welcome to my first video on YouTube. So today I'm gonna show you how to make these cat paw fingerless gloves. This is super cute, warm and also very easy to make, so let's get started. For this project you will need 3 balls of milk cotton yarn, a 3.5mm hook, a tapestry needle and scissors. Let's start by making a slip knot. Then make 15 chains. Make sure you do it loose and not too tight. After that, turn your work and we are going to make single crochet in these little bumps. Okay, next we are going to make 13 single crochet in the back bump of chains. Working in these little bumps will give us neater and more compact foundation. And then in the last chain, we're gonna make 3 single crochet in the same stitch. After that, we are going to make another 13 single crochet on the other side. For the second row, start it by making 1 chain and then turn your work. Make 13 single crochet. After 13 single crochet, make single crochet increase 3 times. To make a single crochet increase, you have to make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Continue make 13 single crochet. For the third row, chain 1, turn your work and make 13 single crochet. After that, we will continue to make 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet increase. Repeat this pattern for 3 times. Continue make 13 single crochet. For the fourth row, chain 1, turn your work and make 13 single crochet. After 13 single crochet, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase, and then 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern for 3 times. Then continue with 13 single crochet. For the fifth row, start by making 13 single crochet and then continue make 3 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. Repeat this pattern for 3 times. After that, continue with 13 single crochet. Next, start row 6 with 13 single crochet. Then continue make 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase, and 2 single crochet. Repeat this pattern for 3 times. Finish row 6 with another 13 single crochet. Start row 7 with 10 single crochet. Then make 2 half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, you have to yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, and then pull out the loop, yarn over and pull out the 3 loops. Next, make 3 double crochet. To make a double crochet, you have to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out the loop, yarn over, pull out the 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull out the last 2 loops. Then continue make 1 double crochet increase. So we are going to repeat this pattern 3 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase for 4 times. Continue with 3 double crochet and 2 half double crochet, and then finish this row with 11 single crochet. Okay, for row 8, we're gonna start with 11 single crochet and then continue make 1 half double crochet. Then skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch we're going to make 5 double crochet in the same stitch. After that, skip 1 stitch and then make 2 single crochet. After making 2 single crochet, we are going to skip 1 stitch and make 5 double crochet in the same stitch. And we will repeat this pattern for 4 times. After repeating the pattern for 4 times, we still have to make 5 double crochet in the same stitch and then skip 1 stitch and make 1 half double crochet. After that, finish row 8 with single crochet until you reach the end of the row. For row 9, start with 14 single crochet. Then continue with 3 double crochet, 4 single crochet, and repeat this pattern for 5 times. Finish row 9 with single crochet until you reach the end of the row. After that, chain 1, fasten off and leave a long tail for sewing. And then we have to make another one. So now we have 2 pieces of these gloves and we will start to sew them together by using tapestry needle. Then, since we want to have each hole for each finger, we have to sew in between the finger hole like so. Repeat this process for 4 times. After that, continue sewing until you reach the end of the row. And now we will continue to make the ribbing part. Actually, this is an optional part just in case you wanna have longer gloves that will cover your wrist. But if you have satisfied with your gloves, you don't have to continue with this part. So for the first row of the ribbing, we have to chain 1 and then single crochet around. And then slip stitch in the first single crochet. Next, chain 8. If you wanna have longer ribbing, then you can chain more. And then make 7 single crochet started from the second chain. Now we will continue. If you have small wrist, then you have to skip 1 stitch and make 2 slip stitch. But if you have big wrist, then you have to skip 1 stitch and make 1 slip stitch. So, since I have small wrist, then I will make 2 slip stitch here. After that, we will have to turn our work and make 7 single crochet, but we will work in back loop only. Next, chain 1 and then turn our work and make another 7 single crochet in back loop only. Then we will continue to repeat this process until you reach the end of the ribbing row. Once you reach the end of the ribbing row, we have to connect it with the first ribbing row by making chain 1 and then 7 single crochet. Then chain 1 and fasten off. And yay, your gloves is done! And now we will continue to make the detail of the paw beans. First, for the 2 beans, we can start by making a slip knot and chain 2. Or you can also start with a magic ring. Next, make 9 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1 and fasten off. If you want to attach it in the glove by sewing it, then you have to leave a long tail. But if you want to use the glue, you don't have a long tail just like me. Make 5 2 beans in total. Next, for the center of the paw beans, we will start by making a slip knot and then chain 4. Or you can also start with a magic ring. Then we will work in the very first chain. Make 3 triple crochet. Continue with 3 double crochet. Next chain 1 and then make 1 triple crochet and then chain 1 again. Continue with 3 double crochet and then 3 triple crochet. After that, chain 3 and then slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. Leave a long tail if you want to sew it, but if you want to use a glue, then you don't have to leave a long tail. And here is the final look of your cute gloves. If you have any question, just leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok. See you on the next video. Bye!